Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I am Joe.
Hi, everyone, and I am Anna. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you enjoy learning English through real conversations, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new episode.
Today, we're talking about something very important.
Yes, something emotional.
We're talking about staying motivated.
And never giving up.
Have you ever felt like quitting?
Oh, yes, many times.
Me too.
Especially when learning something new.
Like English,
Yes, maybe you study for weeks.
but you still make mistakes.
You forget words.
You feel slow.
And you think, maybe I'm not good at this.
That feeling is called being discouraged.
Discouraged means losing hope.
Exactly.
But here's the truth.
Everyone feels discouraged sometimes.
Even confident people.
Even teachers.
Even us.
Learning English is a challenge,
A challenge means something difficult that needs effort.
and difficult things take time.
Sometimes we want fast results,
Yes, we want to speak fluently in 1 month.
but language learning does not work like that.
It is a long journey.
With good days,
And bad days.
some days you feel strong,
And some days you feel tired.
and that's normal.
The problem is not feeling tired.
The problem is stopping.
Yes, giving up completely.
Today, we want to remind you of something.
Slow progress is still progress.
Even small steps matter.
If you learn one new word today,
That is improvement.
if you speak one English sentence today,
That is courage.
motivation doesn't mean feeling excited every day.
Sometimes it means continuing even when you don't feel excited.
That's real strength.
And we're going to talk about how to build that strength together.
And when you feel that slow progress,
It can feel very frustrating,
yes, you study every day,
but you still cannot speak perfectly.
and then you compare yourself to others.
That is very common.
You see someone speaking English fluently,
And you think, I am not good enough.
but comparison can be dangerous
Very dangerous for motivation.
because you only see their success.
You do not see their struggle
Exactly. You do not see the years of practice.
or the mistakes they made before.
Progress is personal.
Yes, everyone has a different speed.
Let me ask you something.
Okay.
If you learn one new word every day, how many words will you learn in 1 year?
365.
That is a lot.
Yes, but one word per day feels small.
That is the point.
Small daily actions create big results.
That is called consistency.
Consistency means doing something regularly,
Even when you do not feel motivated.
especially when you do not feel motivated.
Exactly.
Improvement is not always visible immediately,
Sometimes you grow quietly.
like a plant,
Yes, you water it every day.
but you do not see change every hour.
Then one day, you see new leaves.
That is how learning works.
Let's imagine a student.
Okay.
She practices speaking for 10 minutes every day.
At first, she feels shy.
She makes many grammar mistakes,
She feels embarrassed.
but she continues.
After 1 month, she speaks a little faster.
After 3 months, she speaks with more confidence,
The progress was slow.
but it was real.
So if you feel slow today,
Do not stop.
stay consistent.
Your improvement is happening.
Even if you cannot see it clearly yet,
And even when you stay consistent,
you will still make mistakes.
yes, that is normal.
But many people think mistakes mean failure.
Let's talk about that word.
Failure sounds scary.
It does.
Failure means not succeeding.
But here is something important.
Failure is not the opposite of success.
It is part of success.
That is a big idea.
Think about learning English.
Okay.
Have you ever said a sentence and people did not understand you?
Yes, that feels embarrassing.
You feel uncomfortable.
You think, I will never speak well.
But what really happened?
You tried.
Exactly. You tried.
And trying is progress.
Mistakes show that you are practicing.
If you never speak, you never make mistakes.
But you also never improve.
That is true.
Let's imagine a student.
Okay.
A student speaks English in a meeting.
He makes grammar mistakes.
Some people smile.
He feels bad.
He goes home thinking, I failed.
But did he really fail?
No.
He practiced in a real situation.
And next time, he will speak better.
That is called growth.
Growth means becoming better over time.
And growth only happens when we accept mistakes.
Failure is not the end.
Giving up is the end.
That is powerful.
Very powerful.
Let me ask you something.
Okay.
When a baby learns to walk, does the baby fall?
Of course, many times.
Does the baby stop trying?
No.
Exactly.
The baby falls, stands up, and tries again.
That is the mindset we need.
Not perfect.
Just persistent.
So next time you make a mistake in English,
Do not say, I'm bad at this.
say, I'm learning.
And when you start thinking like that,
Your mindset begins to change.
yes, mindset is very important.
Mindset means the way you think.
And the way you talk to yourself.
That is powerful.
Let's imagine something.
Okay.
You have a difficult week.
Work is stressful.
You are tired.
And you do not want to study English.
You open your book.
And you close it again.
Then a voice in your head says, this is too hard.
That voice is negative self-talk.
Yes, and negative self-talk kills motivation.
So what can we do?
We can change the sentence.
Change the sentence?
Instead of saying, this is too hard,
You say, this is difficult, but I can improve.
small change.
But big difference.
That is called a positive attitude.
Attitude means how you respond to situations.
Exactly.
Let's try another example.
Okay,
You fail an English test,
your first thought might be, I am not smart.
but that thought stops growth.
Instead, you can say, I did not prepare enough. Next time, I will do better.
That shows determination.
Determination means strong effort in not quitting.
Yes, it means continuing even when it is hard.
Motivation comes and goes.
But determination stays.
That is such an important idea.
You will not feel excited every day.
But you can choose your attitude every day.
Let me ask you something.
Okay,
When you feel tired, do you stop everything?
not always.
Sometimes you rest a little,
Yes,
and then you continue.
that is balance.
Exactly.
Staying motivated does not mean never feeling tired.
It means not quitting completely.
Even small effort is better than zero effort.
And that strong mindset is what helps you keep going.
And when your mindset becomes stronger,
You also start choosing better people around you.
yes, the people around you matter a lot.
Very much.
If you are surrounded by negative people,
It becomes harder to stay motivated.
But if you are surrounded by supportive people,
You feel stronger.
support is powerful.
Support means help and encouragement from others.
Let's imagine you are learning English alone.
That can feel lonely.
Yes, you study quietly.
You make mistakes alone.
And sometimes you feel like quitting.
But what if you join an English-speaking group?
That changes everything.
You see other learners.
You hear their mistakes.
You realize you're not alone.
That feeling builds confidence.
Community is very important.
Community means a group of people with the same goal.
Like all of you listening right now.
Yes, we are a learning community.
And in a community, people encourage each other.
Encourage means giving someone confidence or hope.
For example, your friend says, "You're improving. Keep going."
That small sentence can change your day.
It can stop you from giving up.
Let's think about a situation.
Okay.
You fail an English exam,
You feel disappointed.
but your friend says, "It's okay. Try again. I believe in you."
That support gives you energy.
Yes, sometimes we need someone else to remind us of our strength.
And if you do not have that support,
You can create it.
how?
Follow positive content.
Join online groups.
Practice with a study partner.
Or even write encouraging messages to yourself.
That is a great idea.
Because staying motivated is easier when you're not alone.
And when people believe in you,
It becomes easier to believe in yourself.
and after everything we talked about.
Let's review some important words together.
Yes, simple words, powerful words.
First word, motivation.
Motivation is the reason you want to do something.
Example, my motivation is to speak English confidently.
Next word, challenge.
A challenge is something difficult that requires effort.
Example, learning English is a challenge, but I enjoy it.
Next word, discouraged.
Discouraged means feeling like you want to stop.
Example, I felt discouraged after my mistake.
Next word, progress.
Progress means improvement over time.
Example, I see progress in my speaking.
Next word, consistent.
Consistent means doing something regularly.
Example, I am consistent with my daily practice.
Next word, failure.
Failure means not succeeding at something.
But remember, failure is part of growth.
Yes. Next word, growth.
Growth means becoming better and stronger over time.
Example, mistakes help my growth.
Next word, mindset.
Mindset means the way you think.
Example, I have a positive mindset.
Next word, determination.
Determination means not giving up.
Example, with determination, I will reach my goals.
And finally, support.
Support means help and encouragement from others.
Example, my friends give me support.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes, think about your life.
What is one challenge you will not give up on?
Write one simple sentence in the comments.
For example, I will not give up on learning English.
Or, I will keep practicing every day.
Remember something very important.
You are stronger than you think.
Slow progress is still progress.
Small effort is still effort.
If this conversation encouraged you, please like this video.
Share it with someone who needs motivation today.
And don't forget to subscribe for more English conversation practice.
Keep learning
Keep growing.
and never give up.
We will see you in the next episode.